Caulking electric spray gun of glass glue. Instructions of caulking electric glue gun. 1. Caulking electric glue gun is equipped with two pieces of 12-volt lithium batteries with a capacity of 1.8 amp hours and a charger. In average, each battery can spray 50 pieces of 300 milliliter glass glue. Compared with the nickel battery of electric glue gun of other brands, the advantages of the lithium battery are lighter weight, more suitable for ergonomic design, longer service life, and more charge-discharge times. 2. Caulking cordless caulking gun is dual-purpose electric glass caulking gun and applicable to hard and sausage soft glue, wherein the glue cylinder can be exchanged by tearing down the nut at this place. 3. Insert the battery. The switch of this gun is stepless speed regulating. In current market, the speed regulating switch of many electric glue guns are divided into 4 gears, i.e. 1, 2, 3, and 4, whereas the disadvantage is that the other hand is required for adjustment when the crack is large or deep or the glue spraying is quick, which is inconvenient. The stepless speed regulating switch solves this problem. The operator can regulate the speed at will without missing the work and making you hurry and scurry. 4. At the end of propulsion, the push rod will automatically return by 3 millimeters, thereby releasing the pressure in the glue cylinder, preventing the glue drop and making the glue spraying more convenient and beautiful without causing waste and pollution. 5. Idling warning, overload warning. When the push rod is pushed to the end, for example, the glue is almost out of use in this cylinder, we will hear the tick-tick warning sound to warn us to change the glue. Finally, we will demonstrate the glue spraying work. You can see there is no glue drops when we stop spraying the glue. We will demonstrate this at different speeds. Look, the speed can be totally controlled by only one hand. It is much more convenient in comparison with the knob glue gun with gears. After spraying the glue, unscrew the front cap, take out the used glue cylinder and press the black button there on, lift and backwards, pull the rack, and change the next cylinder of glue. Put new glue into the bucket, press the button, and push the rack inwards. Then you can use the glue gun again.